Chulmidangena Tasmai Sri Gurave Namam. By the causeless mercy of Guru and Gauranga, now we are performing Vrindavan Antargya Parikrama. That means we are Panchakoshi Parikrama you are doing. And we have come, this place is called Ananda Bhavan. Yeah? And is Ananda Bhavan there, and also when we start Parikrama on the bank of the Jamuna, there are so many pastime places of Krishna Lila Krida Bhumi. And especially first we also started in the Brahmar Ghat. After Brahmar Ghat, then we also came in the Kesi Ghat. After Kesi Ghat, then we got Panihatta. Then after Panihatta, then we also came in the place of where Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu took rest, and that place that is called Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Vishram Sthal. Then we also came in the place of where Kamsa he came and came to kill to Krishna, but Jogmaya Purnavasi Devi caught him and put in the water in the one pond. Then Kamsa he manifested in the form of an old lady, and then all the Braj Gopis they asked, "Hey, old lady, where you have come from? What is your name? And where you married? What is your husband's name?" And this way. But Kamsa did not give any answer, and that time all the Braj Gopis bitterly beat him. Then Kamsa cried. Then Purnamasi again put down in the water of the pond. Then Kamsa manifested his original form. Then Kamsa ran away from Vrindavan to Mathura. For this regard, Kamsa he did not come himself again in Vrindavan. He sent all his associate Parikar, Putana, Aghasur, Bakasur and others. And so for this regard, we also came that place, and another place very close, that the place is called the Vyasdev Goswami. He also wrote Srimad Bhagavatam 10th canto. That is called what is called? No, place name is called Badrikashram, Badirban. Badri means in one kinds of fruits. That is called where Vyasdev he also wrote that this Grantha, especially Gurudev told Vyasdev Goswami he wrote many Grantha, different places of Vrindavan and also Brajamandal, but he mainly wrote Srimad Bhagavatam 10th canto in Vrindavan. That place is called Badriban. Badri means one kinds of what fruits? As like jamun fruits, but that is called white fruits. What is it called? Look like this, just anyhow. And for this, so Vyasdev he wrote Srimad Bhagavatam 10th canto in Vrindavan, that place. After that place, then we also one place that is called what is called Atala Chungi, Atal Bihari. I think that where Srimati Radhika, when she saw Srimati Krishna who is herding the cows with his friends, then Srimati Radhika she completely was stunned. For the Atal means is what? Stand by, but did not move. And that place is called Atala Chungi, Atal Bihari. Atal Bihari. Atal means stand by, not moving. Bihari means Krishna who completely stand by and stay in there. That is called the Atal Bihari. Krishna is there. You have seen. And before cross the rail truck in there, that is Atal Bihari. Then we come in this place. This is called the Ananda Dham. Here Gurudev, one disciple, he also built this temple. And I talk in Bengali Katha in there. Then now we are going another place. Gaur Premanandi.